Christian, why did we decide to develop a whole new generation of BANCOS Core Banking?
We weighed the opportunities and benefits of modernizing our legacy platform against the advantages of a complete redesign. From that, we concluded that only a complete reinvention of our core banking platform could meet the demands of, on the one hand side, significant technological advancements, especially the use of artificial intelligence, and secondly, and above all, the needs of banks for a cost-effective and widely sovereign core banking infrastructure.
And what specifically sets our new generation of BANCOS Core Banking apart?
The new BANCOS Core Banking is a lean, headless platform that makes all services accessible via modern interfaces. Front ends for customers and bank agents are available from our partner, or banks can simply integrate applications of their choice. With this, BANCOS AG is returning to its DNA, mapping banking functionality to statutory and regulatory standards in the back end. In its first phase, the new platform covers core banking activities in the areas of deposits, current accounts and cards, and loans. Relevant product modules will follow gradually from the second half of 2026 throughout H1 2027. In its operations, the platform requires literally no integration into the user bank's existing systems. This significantly reduces the duration, cost, and risk of implementation projects. We're building one BANCOS for all customers. A single code base allows us to develop more functionality that benefits all customers equally and becomes available in considerably shorter release cycles.
And how about the technological level of the new platform?
It's operated within the bank's own cloud infrastructure, thus honoring the your data remains your data principle. All cloud providers that offer basic services are supported. Alongside US hyperscalers, this also includes European providers such as Stacker. With this open approach, we want to enable banks to set up their core banking infrastructure in a sovereign manner for the era of AI-powered intelligent banking. Let me restate, this is no refactoring of the legacy platform. Nevertheless, we do test new features and functionality against existing proven functionality of the previous generation where this is relevant. With this, we put our 35 plus years of experience in core banking to play and transfer that into the new generation of BANCOS.
We have defined a few overall guiding principles for the development of the platform. Which ones are these exactly?
There is a very modern cloud-native AI enabling and enabled tech stack that we put out as the foundation of our new platform. This allows for a significant reduction in time to market. We decided to make use of a pay-as-you-go billing model, which basically assumes that every customer will get the full BANCOS platform, and customer banks will only pay for what they actually use out of that platform. Thirdly, we do strongly honor the idea of digital sovereignty, which has been increasingly demanded across the industry, especially in the last 2 years. And finally, we explicitly decided against a software as a service model because we wanted to make sure that any user bank would at any point in time have 100% control over their data. No BANCOS employee will ever need to see customer data or have access to it.